Hi there, welcome back to yet another video of skin retouching, and today we'll be learning dodge and burn. So let's get started. Okay, so basically what is dodge and burn? Dodge and burn is the bright and the light part of the portrait, where the portrait is uplift and to become it more appealing and more attractive. So here in this portrait you can see that there are some parts which is under the darkness over here, and the some which are bright over here. Basically the dodge and burn is the way the light falls on a subject from the side view or some different angle. It create that effect that it looks like the structure of the subject. And here you can see that if I active my layer 2 background copy one, you can see over here I have drawn with the brush tool some of the areas which are the key element areas where you need to dodge and burn for a basic uplift of a portrait. So the white areas over here is the dodge one, where you can see over here for the nose line and the cheek or upper part of the cheek and even the chin over here, these need to be in the lighter parts, means they has to be lighter. The black one is the burn part, where you can see if you burn from here and you light from here, so it will give you a shape of the nose line over the portrait or the subject nose. So let's get started. Just be in mind that these white and black means the dark and the light part of the portrait, right? So just for a quick one, I have detailedly done there. You can see if I activate this layer, you can see the dodge and burn effect or this portrait, the same portraits. The main thing about this dodge and burn process is that it doesn't lift up much of the effects. It will show you some minor changes, or that is the proper way of conducting dodge and burn. So if you can see, if you toggle on and off, you can see the difference in the portrait over here, different in the picture. So let me back to the base and get the duplicate of the below picture. Rename is dodge and burn, right? Okay, just one thing I just want to explain, that some of the users like to explain dodge and burn on different layers. So they want to do dodge, they conduct dodge on one different layer and the burn on that is totally normal, and you can do that, but just for the sake of the video I am dodging and burning it on the same layer, means on duplicate layer, right? So over the tools, go and first we will go for the burn tool and set the range to mid-tone. Exposure to 10 is enough, 10 to 15 is 10 to 12 sorry is enough. And protect tones, just click it, just keep it checked. So over the here, just draw a line back and forth. You can see quite some changes, and the side of the face on the line, the face line, right? You can see the shade over here, and even below the chin where there you can see there are some shades. So you just need to lightly draw, just like you are painting, in the sense in the eye, the ear, okay, and part of the eye, upper lips, even underneath the lips we can see this shadow, and part of the cheeks, the lower part of the cheeks, the lower cheeks. You can see over here also you can see the shade, or you can increase your brush size to some, say, 900. And yeah, one thing to keep in mind that the more your image is high in pixel, the more you can dodge and burn. Even you can do it with low resolution also, but resolution, sorry, slip of tongue, low resolution, but the result will be satisfactory. So here it is. You can, if you toggle it on and off, you can see the difference a bit. It's a quick one, so you can feel a little bit of difference, right? Okay, so now for the burn, the dodge one. Select dodge from the tools. Again, I'll go for the range for the mid-tones, exposure to 12, set it 12 or 10, and check the protect tone. Then I'll go for the nose line, right, the upper part of the cheese. Or before that, make sure to increase the brush size to somewhere around 200, and can do it over here, a little bit over here, over the forehead, right, and the chin. Now you can start seeing a little bit of changes over here, and there you go, lighter part over the eyebrows to brighten up. There you go, right? If you uncheck it, toggle it, you can see the difference. It's before and after, before and after, right? So this was the basic technique or basic method of dodging burning. Basically, I'll show you some of the images which you need. Like in this images, the lights falling from this side, from your left side, and there is a bit of shadow on your right. So you can even dodge from over this cheek, this jawline, and even on the body also, the back of this model. And the second image is this one. This is under the bright light, but you can see the shades over here, over the cheeks and the jawline, and over here also. And the body, you can see it's totally exposed to the light. So in some cases you can do dodge and burn, in some cases you just need a lighter version of it. So here in this case, this is totally exposed to light from the one side, this light is coming from left side, and the other part of it is covered with the hair, so it's with the lighter one. So once again, it's the before, this is the after, this is the before, and this is the after. Okay, so that's what's dodge and burn in the short video. So if you like my video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you cannot miss, and click the bell icon so you cannot miss any video in the future. And let me know if I missed something, and comment, make sure you comment anything if I miss, and let me know. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye.